Now consider triangle ABC. In this triangle, AD is perpendicular on BC, it is given. Also the relation between CD and BD it is given. BD is equals to 3 times CD. And we have to prove that twice AB square is equals to twice AC square plus BC square. Again here AD is perpendicular on BC, means two right angle triangles are formed here, and in both the triangles we use the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ADC by Pythagoras theorem. Now ADC, here AC is the hypotenuse, means AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. Convert this CD in the other side. AC square minus CD square is equals to AD square, give equation number 1. Now consider the second triangle ADB. In this triangle again use the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ADB by Pythagoras theorem, AB is the hypotenuse, means AB square is equals to AD square plus DB square. Again convert this value here. AB square minus DB square is equals to AD square. It is equation number 2. Now see the first and second equation. In this equation one side is common, AD square, means you can compare these two sides. From equation 1 and 2, AC square minus CD square is equals to AB square minus DB square. Now here see the relation between BD and CD. It is given that BD is equals to thrice CD, means if it is a one part, then these are the three parts. Means this segment BC is divided in 4 parts, in which 3 parts are considered in BD and 1 part is considered in CD. Means BC, there are total 4 parts. Among these 4 parts, CD is 1, means 1/4 of BC. CD is 1/4 of BC, and similarly BD is 3/4 of BC. Also DB is equals to 3 times CD, means we can write here CD is equals to 1/4 of BC and DB is equals to 3/4 of BC. And put these values in equation in this relation. AC square minus CD, 1/4 BC bracket square, AB square minus DB, means 3/4 BC bracket square, AC square minus BC square upon 16 square of 4, AB square minus square of 3 is 9 BC square upon 16. Now here multiply each term by 16 to reduce this factor. 16 AC square minus BC square, when you multiply it by 16 it will cancel. 16 AB square, again it will cancel if you multiply by 16, means 9 BC square is remaining. Now convert this value here. BC, 16 AC square minus BC square plus 9 BC square is equals to 16 AB square. Now here this calculation is 8 BC square, means 16 AC square plus 8 BC square is equals to 16 AB square. Now each factor is divisible by 8. Divide each term by 8 to get the answer. If you divide it by 8, it is 2, it is 1 and it is 2, means 2 AC square plus BC square is equals to twice AB square, and it is your proof. This thing you have to prove in your answer.